All right. Good morning. Ooh, what else happened? All right. So, man, slept pretty good out here in the wilderness. Yeah, my little I might call it cabin. It's like I don't know what to call it really, but it's, it's up as a space in the woods, in the wilderness. And now I'm gonna take a bath in. One dang spider webs. Now I'm gonna take a bath in the river, or what do we call it? River, stream, river, yeah, whatever you want to call it. And I'm gonna go and take a bath in this thing, in this river. I kept my trunks on. Because I can just wash inside myself. You know what I mean? I can just wash inside I figured that out. Because I don't know who's watching me out here. But I'm about to get in here and just trying to find a nice spot. I don't know. This looks like a nice spot. Yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I'm about to take a bath in the river, or in this pond or stream. So this is me returning to nature. My path of returning to nature, becoming an Essene. It's gonna be a long journey, but I'm gonna do it. Just kind of step by step, getting rid of all of the things that you're programmed to do, to live and to become one with nature. How do you become one with nature? How do you do this, right? By taking over the planet. You do this by using what nature's already provided, which is water to wash. The water in these type of things like streams and creeks and stuff like that are not dirty water. I actually drank out of this water yesterday, and I'm not sick. A day later, I'm not sick. So another thing to kind of note is that when you're thirsty, hey, we got a stream right here. We got water right here. I can just come right here, take my hand on the cup, and drink it. That's it. And once you learn about microbes and germs and stuff, it's not really that scary. It's all around us. Literally, it'll freak you out if you had like a microscope. But people don't think like that. They just listen to people telling them that, oh, bug, don't do that. You're gonna die. You're not gonna die, man. You're not gonna die. So, saying all to say, the water, the river is here for us to bathe in, to drink. We need to. You can find clear springs or like spots like I just drank from. It's not like you can see it's clear. I can see right through the bottom of the water, so it's not dirty. It didn't seem to have any toxins in it, because there's no toxins running in this part. If that makes sense. Anyway, I'm about to go ahead and do it. Probably gonna do it in this spot. Like I'm bathed in this spot right there. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll be back. All right, try it again. I can use the varnish. So. First time doing this, so come with it. Water's pretty clean. Pretty clean water. get all parts, don't worry. You get all parts. I'm gonna be able to see pretty good. There you go, do this. Okay. Alright. First river bath. Cool. What? I'm doing it. My cold shower. It's not that cold, but it feels good though. I mean, it feels good. It feels refreshing to be in nature like this, taking a bath in this sea. Alright. Got some more soap I gotta get off now. Alright, that was it. That's my first. I got a soap off me. And I'm clean, just like that. So, first time taking a bath in a river stream, and it was great. All right, so stay tuned for more nature explorations that I will continue to show you all. And now I'm drying off in the sun. The Heavenly Father's right there. And I'm out here drying off. It's just like that, man. Just like that. I'm about to go brush my teeth in probably my room, but just use a bitch of water, toothbrush. But yeah, that's it. You know, morning routine. You know, nature. Took a bath in the river. Now I'm drying off. And the sun is actually drying me off very fast. So, you know, you don't need towels either. There's a lot of stuff you don't need, man. I'm gonna say I improved that. You don't need none of the stuff we're living in. As in Essene, that's what I talk about. Living free from the matrix. We've been doing this for thousands of years. My ancestors. And living outside of these empires and stuff like that, free and building systems apart from it all. So, like I said, I'm here learning a lot about nature life on this little campground I am in Belize. It's called Ali's campground, and it's literally in the middle of. I can't even tell you how far this goes out. I mean, there's no city for miles. But anyway, yeah, that's it. That's it. So that was now I'm drying off. That was my taking a bath in nature. And this is a good thing. It's a good thing, man. And I'm really enjoying myself out here. Feeling free. I'm in a very pure frequency, you know. Nature is a very pure frequency. Like yesterday and even today, I just don't feel the need to even smoke a lot of weed. Usually I just have to get up and get that rolling because of the frequencies that we live in and the shit going on. You got to keep positive or keep your vibrations up. But my vibrations are so high out here that I don't need to, you know, I don't need to smoke weed or nothing right now. Just need to take all this in, enjoy this beautiful emptiness. Oh, that was emptiness. Beautiful space. Beautiful space called Earth. All right, so I'm into here. More to come. See in this video here, so I can enjoy this sun.